this is page 5 of your homework. There we go, page 5. Multi-step dimensional analysis. That just means that there's going to be more than one conversion factor. You can make it through this. So I'm going to do a couple of the problems on this page. We've got conversion factors listed for you even, so it shouldn't be that terrible. Okay, number 2 says, how many walking paces are there approximately as you walk down Main Street, which is 0.25 miles. So that is my given, 0.25 miles. Walking paces, I know you don't know what a walking pace is, that's okay, is my unknown. Okay, so I start by writing my given, 0.25 miles. Okay, I don't know how many walking paces are in a mile. So I'm going to just go down the miles and see what I have listed as a conversion factor. I have 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And it looks like using all of these conversion factors I can get there. So 1 mile, 5,280 feet. Miles cancel. Okay, did I want feet? Nope, I wanted walking paces. Got to use another conversion factor. So how do I know what goes on top and what goes on bottom here? Well, you just go down the unit. It makes it easy. So I know that 1 foot goes down here, so that means 12 inches goes in the numerator. Okay, cancel that. And then it says there's 22 inches in a walking pace. So I just go down the inches. 22 inches in 1, I'm going to put WP for walking paces. Okay, inches cancel, and I've got walking paces. So let's see what that is. Get the calculator here, and let's see. Just trying to put it here so you can see it. There, 0.25 times 5,280 times 12 times 1 is that. And look, what do I have in the denominator? I have 22, so I'm going to divide it by 22. 720 walking paces, whatever that is. I feel like walking paces are not generic. They're different for each person. Okay, I picked number 4 because I figured some people would freak out when they see a number in scientific notation. So we can do this. This is not that hard. How many decades are equal to 1.7 times 10 to the 25th minutes? So that is my given. That's my unknown. 1.7 times 10 to the 25th minutes. Just go down my unit. Okay, and then I look at my conversion factors. Do any of these have minutes? That first one does. 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, did I want hours? Nope, I wanted decades, so I got to keep going. Another conversion factor. Just go down the hours. Okay, then I go, okay, 24 hours in 1 day. Use that. Did I want days? Nope, wanted decades. I'm getting closer though. Just go down the days. And see, there are 7 days in 1 week. Did I want weeks? Nope, wanted decades. Keep going. Use this one. Just go down the weeks. I'm running out of space. There's 52 of them in 1 year. Cancel the weeks. There are 10 years. Look, just go down. In 1 decade. Okay, years cancel. I have decade. Here we go. Sorry. I have decade in my numerator, so I can stop and I'm going to do that math. Do not freak out. Here we go. Okay, 1.7, right? Yeah, times 10 to the 25th. I'll teach you guys how to do this later. I need to multiply everything in the numerator. Looks like there's just a bunch of 1s in the numerator, so that's going to be my numerator. So I'm going down here. 1.7 times 10 to the 25th in the numerator. Let's see what's in the denominator. 60 times 24 times 7 times 52 times 10. Ooh, that's a big number. 5241600 in the denominator. So I divide 1.7 times 10 to the 25th by 5,241,600. Let's see, 1.7 times 10 to the 25th divided by, and I'm going to go grab that number so I don't mess up any numbers, and it's 3.24 with a lot of numbers times 10 to the 18th. That E18 means the exponent is 18. So it's times 10 to the 18th. My unit is minutes. I'm sorry, my unit is decades. So, see what I do, that doesn't sound right. Looks right, but it doesn't sound right. I'm going to check my answers here in just a second. 3.24 times 10 to the 18th. Doesn't look right. Let's see. To the minutes, hours and minutes, 24 hours in a day, days in a week, 52 weeks in a year, 10 years in a decade. Okay, 1.7 times 10 to the 25th. Let's math it again. If it just doesn't look right, you got to try it again. Times 10 to the 25th divided by, let's put them all in parentheses. 60 times 24 times 7 times 52 times 10. Close the parentheses. Yep. Even though it doesn't look right, it is right. So, always feels good when the teacher gets it right, right? But if I have a question, I'm gonna check it anyway. Okay, that's a lot of decades. Okay, so there's your homework for today, and that's all the way through page 5. So good luck.